Hi guys, welcome to Trustzone.com. This is Mohit Soni, and right in front of you is the Tata Safari, but this is a very different version. This is the Adventure Persona variant. We were surprised at the launch when it was showcased with the normal Safari that we drove couple of weeks ago before the launch, and this definitely had our attention as well because it looks very different, very unique, and there are a lot of changes to this car. Of course, this dark sort of theme that is running around with the black and the new teal color is also a Safari's legacy, where it has to had to be in a dark color because it had that off-road pedigree. Of course, the new model does not have all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, but it obviously has the off-road modes, and it can do a fair bit of off-roading. But that's the reason why it's getting a more darker, more it's not a light high on chrome sort of royal color. This is much more tough and rugged color that Tata has chosen. And again, this is also pretty much inspired by one of the Jaguar Land Rover sort of SUVs that they've been doing in a long while. I think I saw this color and this combination in one of the Range Rovers, and this is coming to look really well. So let's dig into the details. The teal color looks fantastic. Everything that was chrome or body colored in certain areas has been blacked out, so including this black ORVM. This chrome line here has now been turned into black. The Safari badging also, if you can see, yeah, that's also black. This is also now black. The alloy wheels also have this sort of when there is light on it, it almost looks like gunmetal gray, but also at first look it looks very black. That is again black, and it has the usual tail lamps here, but everything is blackened out. So is the lower version here. This is also blacked out. If you remember, it was chrome or body colored in the test variant that we were driving. And the door handles also are blackened out, and as you can see, everything is coming out really well. I think we can't stop praising the Tata Motors design team for getting things so right with their new cars and new lineup. It's just clicks so rightly. It's not overdone, it's not underdone, it looks just right. So I think that's the place where Tata Motors design team deserves a lot of credit. They are doing an amazing job. They're working really hard to get us this. Again, you can see here, this is also blackened out. The grille also was different on the Harrier, different on the Safari, now different on the Adventure Persona variant. Usually these kind of variants come after launch, but Tata is offering it at launch, and I think they're going to continue with this every 6 months or 1 year or so to keep the product fresh. And of course, the design team also will be working very hard to give us more and more things like this. Since the outer part is done, let's get into inside, because inside also there are a lot of changes. It's not a half done thing like most manufacturers do. This is a full blown setup inside and outside. And as you can see, again, chrome has been replaced here. It's all piano finish, black finish here, seen here as well. And the gray color has been replaced with this slab here has been replaced with earlier it was a different color, now it's almost blackish. The charcoal white seats that we had are now replaced with beige, and the beige and the very rich black is coming together really well. Even the piano black that is being used here, it's not very fingerprinty or magnet. It is quite good quality, better than most manufacturers, but obviously still slightly below the slightly more premium cars that come in our market. But nevertheless, for the price, I think the piano black is done just right. We've got the JBL speakers. This is the captain seat version, and we all know how the rear seats are. They're very impressive. And that is the sunroof. Even in fact, I see right now is that this color also has been, this was sort of a chrome plastic color that has also been piano blacked basically. And yeah, that's the whole interior and the exterior of the car. Everything else remains the same. It's the Safari with a 2-liter diesel motor, 170 PS. 350 Newton meters, 6-speed manual, 6-speed automatic, both are fantastic. Pricing also has been pretty well done. This variant is of course one of the top of the line variants, costing almost 21 lakh rupees on road, ex showroom. So I think this is great. If I had to pick a Safari, this would be definitely that version, because it looks sportier, it looks like a Safari, you know, in the way the size is and everything, but these extra dark colors make it sportier and more rugged look than it is than the white and the blue and the other colors will give you. And that is it. That is the Tata Safari Adventure Persona. We might take it out sometime for a drive, who knows, but right now we've driven, we are very impressed with the Safari, we are impressed with this variant. And in fact, Safari is already doing really well in the Indian market. There are a lot of bookings, lot of deliveries happening around the country. We'll wait for more concrete numbers, which will show up on our website. So do go there and check that out, and subscribe to our channel. That is it. Follow us on social media, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.